Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Gemini 3.0 for beginners. Now, if you are new to AI tools, this guide will help you get started easily without any confusion. So to begin, first of all, you need to come here on gemini.google.com. Now here, simply log in into your account with the help of your Google account if you haven't already. Once you are on the main screen, you will see a chat box where you can basically type the questions or any of the tasks that is in your mind. You can start by asking it the simple questions like here you can give it a prompt of, let's say, writing an email, or you can ask it to explain any topic or summarize your text. Gemini 3.0 responds instantly with clear answers. You can also use it for other productivity tasks. For example, you can ask it to create a to-do list for you. You can ask it to plan a schedule for you, generate the ideas for the content and the projects. If you want better results, be clear and specific with your prompts. For example, instead of just saying write an article, you can say write a short article in simple language about a specific topic. You can also continue the conversation by asking the follow-up questions to refine the response. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.